so disappointed at Kotoko, the quality of Kotoko players at hand. He was going to sack about 80% of the players, but management begged Tinkler to give the players another week. Preseason Accra postponed for another week. Time I said no the confirmation am I say preseason next month. Next month. Until 10th August, yes. Until Oma postponed. Nanka next week Monday. Kese ka team no move to Accra. Until ka enene ochene ka Tinkler be communicate to players na Kotoko in here omo so omo nko. Then Sunday, Saturday, omo call Accra na ko prepare. Nanka then zoom into Accra, and then the next phase of the preseason, you know, ever continue. But information picking say, I beg Accra be me say we dey esro. Na butere na sa players ni biem. Na hwese bia obenya kakra dey aso, wo dey na wa picking so a. Na fi ye hu dey betima ye. Nti eno so ye latest a eno so e wo ho no so no. Former Kotoko goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim storms Kotoko training grounds today as he becomes a free agent. Tama, ofi Ethiopia ba. We a free agent. Na information pekene se ene mpenifo bi na kasa se omra na omeso na ho de hwese obetimi asa adamu di amakotoko a. Ti Danlad ene obi sina tadako jaachi ana pa adwo menim be be anopa training no. Be anopa session be koso bia no. Danlad will be there. Na akodwane na kyese ono so etimi akwakohwe akoso na ho de ahwese obesan ba beda post mu e de amakotoko nso a eno so eno no nti eno ye Danlad kakra eno so ewo ho no mo. Menzo and board chairman confusion rocks them. Contrary as Menzo says the board chairman target to Eric Tinkler is contrary to what the board chairman told him. Tama information ya pekene say board chairman any Menzo kasa say omna me judgment no. The arrangement or the agreement is that materials at hand no form kakra and Kotoko pese omo chart a new path, building a strong youth team a be feed that team to the senior side. After preparing the team the next 2 years no nanka team na be gina ho until we Menzo kra na he signed a 2-year contract with Kotoko. By the time obey we 2 years no build a very solid team e di amakotoko. And I'm so and Menzo so ko catch team class chale mako judge me bi wo Ghana yenko na yenko ye na say ni na wum and I think class so ti ase afa ye be on veliting class ye sitting class Kokoji league no nko Africa na je sa ase de wo catch me say ye meye no ase wasesa na ase wo pejam bi sa ne ade nti ama Menzo is not happy just say I say the confusion kakraba no and so
Menzo nya happy no
say aso enkomo on netting kakudi martin krapene so ba be adwuma no because think ka materials na wo sisi ano a enye materials e digi league Africa and Bochama so a demanding league in Africa so nti esa na ase me do for that dam kakrabem so nti because players na ho de nanka
Menzo no be mo
nanka onyanka obesum kakragu so onyanka obesum bi egu pa nanka
okay
ababe wurawuram Hamza Isa is at Johannesburg airport as Sewelele sends him packing for his refusal to release his release letter for ICT. And time information e pekene say ITC information e pekene say House of Folk striker Hamza Isa and a loan deal and then can see na $10,000 and then can womb na boy no so man 40,000 and na boy na 40
I do only contract
or contract
or 2-year contract
has been nothing
10,000
I say no there mingo amindia
ka has been 10,000 loan deal no for one season 1 year na player na 40,000
10,000 on the mama as na ho etuaneka
na team na etuaneka
okay na boy na nya 40,000 year salary akomrema no
signing on fee.
Na loan you must sign on fee.
But sign on to a boy according to agent in the son or on Chichimo de Mayen.
Okay.
Ama house for no
Okobo bi ade ebosia use afi. Na afi so ade na ade abrena. O se signing on fee. Ebi a just omutie mo bi anu be explain say. Ebi a to entice the boy to agree.
Ebia.
Oh, one season.
Oh, say, but me say.
Now, say you want to go back and 1 season and 6 months later. We be a free agent. Now, say 10,000.
Boy, the contract 2 years. And contract normal, you're not option to buy. Every room.
For option to buy after the first season.
And the has been a SAS canna or more pay beer.
That's someone pay.
And it returns to house of folk. More better one.
Not had 1 year season.
So you still have another to convince him. So
and has for agents.
Say
as agents some for him.
Has for no and Kamu his carrying in Basil for such as has release that number a moment to register and sana motia. In them said some disparity across so was our arrangement in
okay.
Mitama Bacha I just otua would let an acquaintance on Etiaka and
a business. I'm so behind you be me who why usually one go for a payment plan. They are establishing the agreement too. You better say that say, but this day we will do this. And to me, who the could do so we am farmer, I'm farmer. Because a part of the discussion. You have to watch it mention. Time now more discussing when okay. So when agreed, that been a first payment, beba.
As a mistrust.
No, so share the whole deal now. As a house of folk day, I'm a friend. I'm a player, Neko.
Because the player wants to go.
Agents, no influence inside mama. You do baby no player no. But for cry story so many times. Say agent take it ready and say now the boy was not a piece playing for house of folk. So they thought say when
the man on
Kono it won't just cano. Scanning near YTC or Sabe
okay.
And then go for those train say
all right. And the boy neighbor.
The Obanti, she said, Omo Akofana fee club no camp. Omoko Okufia Koboban, then he goes to the airport and plane.
Megas also airport.
It says I mean arrangement, but this time they may also airport. Come from an opano de na Omakofano if it's in the camp or Koboban.
And I said, not be with my or might be with my Adani.
When
see we later as one for
there be almost say almost person oba occupy space on me and register another striker.
I'm told say a team no the issue na a transfer ban no no the
and American almost
everything about this transfer is the transfer ban. Now here is the situation. Oko FIFA connect system has been banned. There's a ban on them. They can they can sell, they can buy. It has for no. Sir, team no Emma has pressure to give them release letter. And has a catch on say. Yeah, the moment you see
won't register.
You can't register because system no reject it because there's an international ban on us. Into Munya Botre. And as for now, I catch on say as at last week. Togo has issued the check. I'll go through a process. Meaning more deal bank and say those monies $115 or so $1,000 no paying that amount no yeah 1 day process. That is what I'm being told. Say and yeah 1 minute, 1 day, 2 day process. But I could do bank wa made a process to pay coach no. Na
ya clear
mo e ban everything ko munya botre check o mo really check na ko mu tue sika no nto munya botre na boy o mu clear process ni wie na MD ne mo the release letter but em say o mu no so ni say we mo there is a delay and o mo frame MD can say o mo boy no aba but me made be after that no once sikana involved no say if you come outside about insult to
10,000.
Just that was asking say Hamza no and the manager you know a lot of confusion. I say let's allow him to go now. It's such player no, they will not deliberately decide say I am manonko. And I assembling now a transfer ban. That has caused all this problem.
Back when going.
Hamza Isa swears, I would rather quit football than to step back into Pobi mine. Tama, wakachire benenuma na se huma. Tama mpacho nidi na enuma na huma.
Na huma.
Ahuma. Enwa. Wakachire no say unfa release letter ne ma me register e mo ma se release dia. Ene se me ba na se me kase me ja football bo me mo bo bi. Se me sabe abeba ma house of folk pa de la line. Enti eno so ye asema eno so watu ka to dia ba watu sabo na ba asa na obe land back to Accra
boys na no almost education pa because if this boy has been educated, the reason why the release in Nyamba
and interesting
you will not be speaking ignorant like this.
Interesting if you speak to the agent now. Agent you speaking the way Hamza
see that
is blaming House of Folk.
That is the level of ignorance.
Tama anope any agent ni kase na me
blame House of Folk say only kasa ya so House of Water club we be careful. The donation and the poster no. I still say has them somebody at the
release now. Yes, they think say has deliberate. There's a transfer ban on them. They can't transfer player. And in this year, what you have to do is your agent you want to come to the MD and I say find a way to talk to Munipim Funkasa. Now I say, oh, okay, sir, man, come on, money and time from my. So it should be in a form of apologetic way.
Agent ni say oni enuma kasa ye no, enuma kasa ye no. Or promising say by Friday, which is Ochina. Nanka checks not clear.
They don't control
enuma I say she say next week.
They don't control the
bank. So Royal Force cannot wait after next week.
But agent no.
Okay, but I do it to it.
Money always say house doesn't control the banks. How they work?
So based on this, no. NMA forwarded to speak to Headink, the lawyer, who has confirmed when actually say House of Folk has contacted him through the managing director, and House of Folk are catching the entire amount. No. But 3 days ago, I contacted him, so he's waiting for House of Folk to finalize everything. Then normally, so I think at the background of that, and I catch that agent is a bit more next week.
There's a problem with Wasserman. Boss, there must be no Kakrabi. Has person with your principal no interest no has asking Renhedik to waive it. Boss, but that is another challenge. And the Renhedik and his lawyers are not accepting that offer from House of Folk no. But you say because the principal is correct.
You see, I'm my question. If it has aware, say there's an issue with transfer, and that why would they allow the boy first of all to go?
Because I could do 2 months war South Africa.
And no man to me register.
But do 2 months war. Say nama so really for now frustrated.
Upon the quantity, I do but now the House of Focus agent because of the pressure from it's one the ball
over the line.
All of the ball call to me. And maybe I don't know about I'm Kotoko cry and because about for that story now. As at that down by Kotoko, none of one already say boy no South Africa.
I know the ticket to buy.
I take it back. And they felt that it has become one too many. And I'm not boy, the head is not on. On the Ghana, a typical Ghanaian player when you're outside deal, of $50 or Pesoko. So not boy no one management no, but at the same time contract House of Folk continue on teaming in free camp. So when it got to that point, there's a Monaco. It's a lot of.
All right.
Can anybody say House of Folk is in a mess?
David.
Because coach, when say coach is still on my. At least pay me check this morning. On my. Na you see nka eso be nra. You can be a story no ha. But any on my player omuntimi nto. Player omuntimi nton. Omuntimi nye bibia. And Tama thinks it's not a mess.
Me mess be I say problems number no solve. And that transfer number I say huma if it's a human. All of them I say he is confident say or be solve problems. Let's not lie with them now. Obi anafo omu dina ho ye na soldier for
no pe no mutimi o no pe no mutimi o time say coach be no be che Isa no na aka no
now assistant coach is not well okay preseason there it should be the
head coach because sɛnea wobɛsɛ wɔbɛbɔ ne bɔbɔ ne adeade nyinaa ɛsɛ ne nyinaa ofi asɛ de kyɛkyerɛ wɔ mu
ɛwɔ kurom apa na adwuma no nyɛ adwuma ketewa because much is expected from them. Now Saturday near didn't come about the quality of players that were around. And after the conversation with a lot of response by where Ebimuni said, yes, allow the coach to go in for the Ohuni Sebebuano. But I think say Kotoko players, even though they are a bit more than one or form, around options are a bit upgraded the performance of the club better than we know, and also sir, especially how late Asante Kotoko or delay or more transfers no. And when was a media man announcing Emmanuel Ano, media man announcing Eche Dogli, Omafa Adade Ebenezer Adade, also from Dreams FC right back. Mehu Adriana also on the market. Adriana so signing bia Tinedu, Mama Nkona, getting Seydou Sana to extend his contract, getting Shokan Mohammed, and a host of other players. I think CCC, you know, if Kotoko want to get rid of some of the players, then they must improve on their scouting. Because Ushimwa, who the established ones, Nessa. Unless they are target in the best, where the target will not be instant winning the league. By instant winning the league, they wish him more because I say personally I'm happy with the Danlad Ibrahim link. Because Shimwa keepers are you who some more no. Kruman is saying Kakwaman. Because I was sure Emmanuel could be better as a player and a contract with baby and Gold Stars soon. As soon as Gold Stars for now extend the contract. One other player can be con with Solomon Agbesi. Also names to artists on Nam South Africa, yeah. Also share your bayan. Into Shell League, no more now can say Obia and modern Brazil no one. Either say you are going foreign, and fortunately, I had story said down lad abay. Say now her right backs now. Go to right backs, I crew here win. Dear the modern bro. Lord Amoasono, do was saying, Kibian Kamara Dim. Honestly, now middle of the sea, mediama for ton they call Sudan. Then Adadia Blasters, new local blaster to nya call up. On the mediama for now fast, I can find out their replacement for Kamara Dean. Into say we Lord Amo free up. Nasa o court here to get somebody that is better than Corte and say Lord Amo free injury bar or bet me a man competition. But to show more and also. When I say Augustine Randolph, former Karela boy, no, on the Kotoko observation. But the form one, a broad free ye league Gimuno, nine said then you saw sa. Those are to us all Castle net and a center backsy. No more Kroma ye bob dia, Ebenezer Ban, Yusuf Mubarak, Nebiawenya Razak Simpson me. These were the names I find so a quiet dom. But to watch check here, I'm more quiet dom no. Middle of the scene, Diana be fast, some of the circle for Koi. And no car, Alex Boachene, Anochi Beduni, Raymond Ajamaho. Razak Simpson, a two kind. Alban, and Ruben Hennessy. And says Hennessy are likely to join Mediama, so join your Mokrada. Then Alban, a two kind. Oko Karela, but to almost center backs here near Joe Mudipai. Don't forget Samates where the canton back on. Intuition one neighbor Mudin. So we are there with local league. Majority of them let to kind. Untimi ko brekum Chelsea. Chelsea because Chelsea no no turn the enemy out. And of course young guys, buy no course former has player. He didn't race him. Sundays, Anna boys ne friend no. Atunes was Sunday. Course ne buy. Michael Wamensa. Of course Chelsea were not so much of a super season. Enti o Castle net ne dey I think say Kotoko just a foreign na. And now say the coach will have to manage their own because to locality, then either you are going to Division 2, which is also a gamble. Until I'm saying, the target of the club necessary kakra. Now communicating about supporters, no say be building because as a Kotoko is slow market and so ama. Akesefo ni bi eni mo no to amount for to two omo. Until that stop offer Division 2, Division 1 for which will require time and patience for them to settle and get back to that stage. Or may deliver Marcot Quinty. Technical team they have a dicey issue and say Tenklane men's who how best they can manage it. And yes, alongside the communication team. And there are graphics about inside Kotoko, and I was happy because what's the deal to say Kotoko appointment in communicate anywhere about how in terms of breaking the appointment down to the supporters. A back never be on my graphics be, never on my video be, but say audio communicate no to on say no so here system no mu pa o cause since here be wura mi as you said them Kotoko target the first
target as in
their target for the season.
Oh, okay.
Also acquire some first
so there's a league here.
but ebia on say utie no man am so to me bo so na in terms of almost signings near then say gradual enti I think say hono so no ebem otu hono so say ebem now after this appointment somebody to come and let people know so a gradual process ebia for the next 2 years no ye keke kanioma bom di amakotoko na manya abotra anya sa na ye ja tum sa na to hwa ha na pressure na jana no aba be ye den di amom
Now we are target now say yes.
me de na mu ni say abrofu mienu abasi den ke league je
From the planning.
but story around signings story around quality of players no means that enye
They will need time.
they will need time and that is something someone must communicate to
Now
the fan.
are they going to buy like 5-6 big boys?
No sir Kotoko instantly lose 7 players that though
So they need
and
to-
7 no not number 1 keeper room number 1 center back and center backs for pair no mienu because Zakaria and Hamza Isa were not starters into lose your goalkeeper lose your center back starters what about lose abetamo at a point on and lead you attack after so feel known by what lose Peter Akwa into honum choir 5
Okay. Abbas. But that's it. Captain.
So no.
Mr. To on the no crest o kan ya na edin but ma ho utimi council ma ho kan asem we me ka say that somewhere last week na me ka say me free say
By another be an can say if say you want no cre. And you walk
adwenkyere
on said the be say
ana
They are me who say.
opinion
there ain't no cre.
no crane ni say Mr. To okay
Oh,
good
me
question
say a dey offense say we there.
good question as someone who say na asem ne besi woni say na de na tie right
But
na o se ka catch ni baba no
se mi hu se sa na be de wo hu se sa na e be sie no mi hu enti e je se de me kan nya no kre
okay so who ya there's a way a obetimi anya botama ni pa na chechu mu amwate ase dan say unya hu ba office o masa jade o kan me ka wetu some Kotoko supporters boze o ka sem ya ba Asante Kotoko no wo hu na so bi o ade say say ya o unim adwenche akọ ka koye say ka nko ewe message sini sa ne ma na me ba e fon so ne bebrebe so to ade a esi Kotoko ne ya yo mu postpone omo akra no kọ no eye clear say Kotoko players a omo hia omo no omo nyae players a Kotoko free say omo na bebo league no they've not got omo nya sa players no so so omo ba attack akra because na make say this is a nice coach the program ni bibia fantastic the program no say get to the players no out don bebo ball no and if you end up training everybody na be star players no abenya fine training but enyo omo na be represent the team no abre yakobo league na because to na match do about nothing are you going to attack us no tender so the reason why Kotoko official don come kwa Accra on Monday there's some try another week na no one all players ni bi o afi no maba to say Jamfi ne that rasta guy what's the name tall guy no Anchi any Uganda ni those players afi no mu na aba Misoto Kotoko will keep a lot of players as your boy that is one thing that players new so last na me kase come and be na players ni na players omo to omo boase because the same players can come good so and then the team no a lot of things we are all spending on the players becomes another issue so the board wants to give those players no a lot of them a second chance or a chance to play After the players ever on top 1 or 2 on add the account. The coach told them say he needs to assess and sana what said on person moto. You know, Ebianka EX-KOTOKO nkwa. Ebi players be wa to sabe we come back. But because the coach needs to sue and and sana what recommendation, all these things are delayed. And not any the reason to spend another week in Kumasi. Now you know. Because no to league in Basel September 4th, right? September 4th, you run this August 10th. Yes, time wo mu die. Nanso we go to the players na man tema. Still there will be problems. Those players are Kotoko person add on the count. So man tema. There will be problems. No make say last players boy Samba ko, Ansu ko, Kamara ko, that one players maybe names no. Baby Albert ko, the honorable wings. Amidu Akwako. These are status. These are Kotoko status first choice players. So Kotoko need to replace those players. So replacing them no, and no na akofa that delay no edeba. I am only hoping set by Monday or more cano ebedu hono. We to nasa players no. Now my baby can no money the full complement of the side. Then the coach no only see any tactical play. We not say any adebi of person or yeah Emma players no. Enya de be the next season's league now. Now when you and it will come at a good time for him. Not to prepare team very well. On prepare team never starting after we move baba. I don't think that would be good for them. Because Master could not do as now come the first game no Okoye na Nigeria for the defending champions MI 4-2. Now I'm to Obayan was say who mistake no here. Mistake or here and say no move on per Nigeria for no. Omo high pressing. Omo press omo high. And in doing that, you know, now say you can't have done it to her. And you know, Obesi now he's playing against Burkina. With the tools that our own neighbors in Tiana Bona Eden Kakra. I expect an improvement. Yes, first game, we received some criticism. But before you say, your man the benefit of the doubt to say, hey, we are the worker, no, the worker. But say, Kotosu, me, no, I'm working as a good so they are. So to any go for some more canoes, Mudika. So, Etino Mizoto, I don't know, and my man of more things over here. My shirt, my Yabotre for the first Black Queens, for my Yabotre, other countries of Emano. This year I see and teams to me are much more strong. Game more confident to play, more passing, and that more display on the picture. Of course, Capo Verde for no on first or no Mukuni. But don't forget, say Malawi for first time on Nigeria, defending champions, Africans, right? And you know, and before the game, you know, I spoke to Shaker. No, I said, sir, I didn't know, you know. I think another another top team in Africa. The na the Hunga Kra Magana for no. The Omuko game no. Now the two omuye nervous kakra. Say go for it. I almost go by yes I didn't be ana. But they were able to win that game. Good game. They have a game against Cameroon. I watched Cameroon against Mali. Very strong Cameroon side. It was the African football. So her mana. So to those days. So we Nigeria no ma Ghana and Cameroon no na eba Nansena I'm saying Morocco no other countries not album kakra. But Cameroon for team no look like a very compact team. So I'm looking forward to see that Cameroon against Ghanaian team, you know, a very good match. But I expect this team will say that they go far. Per how they are confident at who they play. One central defender captain, Umudin said that one portion or central defense no or ball left. Oh, fine player. I'm so too. Then I saw 1 or 2 players, Princess B and that stuff. If you do, I think say they are good to go. So let's rally behind them. I heard them beating me.
Men's only think like